AI won't replace humans. However, humans who use AI will definitely replace those who don't. And this is the discussion, and this is how we are seeing things changing, be it from boardrooms, be it into classrooms, be it in your living rooms, right? We are seeing the change on how AI is transforming the way that we are working, the way we live, the way we are studying, the way we educate ourselves, right? But at the heart of this revolution is a very simple point, which is AI for people and AI for progress. And if I just look at the impact that we are seeing, right? In India, already, if you just look at by 2030, AI is set to boost the productivity in India's $254 billion IT industry by 45%. So it's not just about automation that we are talking about these numbers, but it's about the amplification of human capabilities. It's about the amplification of how you would use the intelligence to drive your very core decisions for your business. And these are the kind of possibilities what is there when technology works with us and not against us. India is actually leading the charge, right? We are not just sitting back and saying, hey, how's it going? We are leading the charge. And today, 30% of Indian organizations are actively implementing AI as we speak. And this is way above than the global average. This is a proof of the innovation mindset that we all bring to the table. And this is a proof that we don't want to sit back and say, hey, let's let the others lead the path. It's also showing a lot of if you just look at the startups, the willingness to experiment and this hunger within us to lead within the digital age. And beyond all of these numbers, we're also seeing AI today actually making a true difference in people's lives. If you just look at 95% of Indian employees believe that AI is already improving the quality of their life. And this is AI being used to really help them in better work-life balance, in simplified workflows. You don't need to go into multiple tools to approve things, right? Or even for that matter, enhanced well-being of people. AI is not replacing jobs. It's clearly about freeing people to do more meaningful work. AI has been a force to drive that inclusivity. 72% of women are using AI to improve their efficiency and management. And I think that is the biggest shift that we are seeing, is the trust. It's the trust that people are placing on AI-driven decisions. 80% of Indian users are now acknowledging the decisions that AI gives them. And that is a major shift, because that is super important, because it reflects also in the confidence that people have on the technology. It is the confidence that all of us have on the future that we are building together as an industry. And this future is one where AI is working with people, with that transparency that we need, with the ethics, and most importantly, the accountability.